Hello friends, in a series of the lectures of the subject performance management, the last topic of this series is ethics in performance management. Having ethics as a manager doing performance appraisals is a very important for many reasons. Listed are some of the general appraiser characteristics and an understanding on how it can be unethical. First, rewards, punishments, and threats. This should be used in a positive way. If they are negatively used, it can affect the morale of the employee. An appraiser should not be able to reward an employee that he or she likes more than another when the other is more qualified. Second, reliability and validity. The appraiser should provide consistent, reliable, and valid information. Job relatedness, standardization, the performance appraisal process, forms, administration, techniques, and ratings should be standardized so it affects all employees of the group. For example, if they provide one form of rating system for one employee, they must provide the same for another. Legal sanction means rater errors. The person filling out the forms and rating the other employee or manager may distort the information by using their own values or prejudices. It should not be happen. This is where the rater creates a bias for a person whose characteristics are similar or different from their own. Instead of measuring the individual's job performance, they ended up measuring the individual against another person. Training and appraisers. Providing training for the appraisers will help familiarizers them with the different rating errors, which can improve the rater performance. If they are unaware, they make these unethical errors during the appraisals. Next, employee access to results. Feedback is necessary for growth or change to occur. Keeping any results away from the employees is unethical. And last, confidentiality. The feedback that the appraiser provides should be confidential. Leaking it to unnecessary employees is unethical. So these are the things where the HR manager or HR professional should consider while performing these activities. So these are the some short issues relating to the ethics in performance management. Thank you very much for watching this video, and by this way we have ended the series of the lectures of the subject performance management. Kindly watch the others video if you have not watched any of them. Thank you very much.